Hey, welcome. Now I'm going to show you how to get a random date between two dates. Okay, so this may be interesting exercise, and usually people tend to do only the random numbers between two numbers, but in this case I'm trying to get a random date. Why do you need random dates? Because sometimes we want to simulate some of the projects using random dates. Okay, so in some of the artificial intelligence projects and other projects, we may want to check the algorithm using some different dates. Okay, so I am generating a random date for this. Okay, how can we get a random date? Because we don't have a function called random date. Okay, we have a function called random between, which is random numbers. Okay, so how can we do that? Okay, you may be thinking this may be a complex thing, but it is very easy, and you will be surprised that is this the way we can get the random date? Okay, I am going to do is that I am going to have a start date and a end date. Okay, I am going to format these two cells for the some date functions. Okay, date format, which is DMMYYY. Okay, as a date. Okay, so I format this two, and also this one also the same format. Okay, I am going to do the custom. Okay, DYY and YY. Okay, just fine. So I am going to have a start date, maybe 1st of May. Okay, 2018, and up to 31st of May 2018. Okay, now I am going to have a random date between these two dates. Okay, what is the function I am going to use? Do you have any guess? It's very surprising function. It is the same function, random number, random between bottom date and the end date and close. Are you surprised? It's 3rd May of 2018. Hey, how come this works? Because this one, the format is 1st May, even though the format is D hyphen double triple M and 4 Y's. Okay, the date format, still the Excel knows it is the representing number. Okay, and this one also represents a number. Okay, and you can see, if you change the format, you will see the numbers. See the numbers. I'll change it to numbers. You see these two numbers. Okay, and you change this format to number, you will see a number. Okay, so basically I am passing a number to a number, bottom and top, to random between, and converting that resultant number to a date. Okay, this is also a date, and this is also a date. If you pass these numbers, obviously the random between will return a number in between this. Obviously if I convert that one to date, it will become in between date of these two numbers. Okay, so I just format these cells again for you to see. Custom. Okay, so you can have a click and see some other dates. So it keeps coming the month of May dates. Okay, I will change this one to month of May, June, up to June 30th, and this is 1st of June. Okay, double click, refresh the random number. You keep getting only the June dates. So from start date to end date. Hope this tutorial is helpful to you and it's interesting, and you will be telling it brings you happiness in your face. And please subscribe to my channel, and the Alan Sum button is already there in the screen itself. And God bless you.